Okay, here's some solutions to the mathematical problems for the first module, the first assignment. So we have 23 yards, we need to convert it to meters. One way to do that is to start with what you're given, 23 yards. Look up any conversion you need to. I know that a yard, I always put it on the bottom, a yard divided by a yard equals 1, just like A over A equals 1. And I know that's equal to 0.914 meters. And when I punch that in, I get 21.022 meters. We are multiplying, and the rule for significant figures when you're multiplying or divided is to keep the fewest number of significant figures. This has plenty. This only has 2. I'm going to record it to 2 significant figures. That would be 21. If this was 21.6, I'd round it up to 22. Don't forget your units. Circle your answer, and you're good to go. Convert the following numbers in or out of scientific notation. This is 20,452,384. Make it a number between 1 and 10. And that means that's where the decimal goes. So 2. Oh boy, a lot of stuff. 0, 4, 5, 2, 3, 8, 4. And count the number of placeholders to where the decimal point would be. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's times 10 to the 7th. Don't forget your units, but there are none here. And that's how you do that. Maybe we'll just do another one here because it goes the other way. We have 3 times 10 to the 3rd. So that means 3. Make it a number between 1 and 10. It always is. And then this tells you how many placeholders or how many zeros to add in this case to get to the decimal place. 1, 2, 3. Check it. Right? This is 3 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3. So it is 3,000. Now, if I put a dot there, that technically means it has 4 significant figures. This only has 1, so we just record it like that. And finally, if we're adding numbers, 2.04 plus 0.334. Let's add them up. We get a raw number. That means probably too precise. Of 2.374. Now for adding and subtracting, there's a special rule, and that is keep the fewest number of decimal places. This has 2 decimal places. This has 3 decimal places, so we better record it to 2. 2.37, should we round up to 2.38? No, because that's less than 5. And so we have 2.37. Just to make it nice, I will add a few little details here. The rule for multiplying and dividing is to keep the fewest significant figures. The rule for adding and subtracting is to keep the fewest decimal places. And I do see that evil, like they are, this one here, for combos, apply the most stringent rule. So do both. Do both and see which gives you the least precise number, and that'll be your answer. Hey, that's a little bit about the mathematical problems for this assignment, and I hope that helps.